which are the different types of maintenance that can exist in an industrial facility? In this video, Santiago Garcia explains us each of them and in which type of installation they are most effective.
Normally, when we talk about the different type of maintenance that we have in our installation, we think in preventive, corrective, or predictive. This is the very normal classification of maintenance, but this classification is not so much practical and has no any practical conclusion, any practical consequence in the life of the maintenance responsible. This is because the maintenance that one maintenance responsible implement in one installation is never only corrective, only predictive, or only preventive. Then there is another classification that for us could be more useful. First of all, we must take in account that to classify the maintenance, it is necessary to define the criteria to classify the type of maintenance. Really, what we are trying to classify is the task of maintenance, not really the maintenance in general. Then, depending of the criterion, there is some option or other. According with the speciality of the work, means the professional family of the worker that must carry out this activity, we can distinguish between at least mechanical maintenance, electrical maintenance, instrumentation maintenance, technical cleaning, or even control maintenance. It exists a second classification of maintenance according with the scope of the work. And according with the scope of the work, we can distinguish between first level maintenance. That this first level maintenance is the maintenance that normally carried out the operator of the installation, and it's a very basic maintenance that include, for example, a visual inspection, or include a sample cleaning, or include some adjustment. In this second classification, you have another type of maintenance, is the second level maintenance. In this maintenance, the responsible to carry out this activity are the maintenance people, the maintenance department, and are more sophisticated activities. For example, the inspection, the detailed inspection of the installation, some activities related with the diagnostic of the installation. This that we sometimes say predictive maintenance. This that relate some measurement with the condition of the machine, and include some activities more deeper, as for example the substitution of some element, or the technical cleanings. And according with this scope of the maintenance, exists a third type of maintenance, the hard time maintenance. This hard time maintenance means that all the elements that compose the machine are inspected in a deep way, and all the elements, some elements that can be replaced, are replaced. And for example, is the moment to put the installation or our equipment to 0 hours of use. Is to do a complete repair of the equipment, complete inspection of the equipment, and that put the equipment in the same condition that when the equipment was new. Then remember that according with this second classification, we have first level maintenance, very basic, second level maintenance, the maintenance that normally do the maintenance department, and hard time maintenance, this maintenance that made by the people involved in the complete inspection of the machine. There is another classification according with the moment when the failure occurred. According with this moment, with the relation with the moment the failure occurred, we can have corrective maintenance, we can have systematic maintenance, and we can have diagnostic maintenance. The corrective maintenance is this maintenance that we do. There is a task that we carry out once the failure has happened. The second type of maintenance, this that we call preventive maintenance or systematic maintenance, is what we made before the failure happened in order to avoid the failure. And according with this classification, there is another third type of maintenance, is with sometimes we call predictive maintenance, but really predictive is not a good word to define which type of maintenance it is. And I prefer to call diagnostic activities or diagnostic maintenance. In this diagnostic maintenance, what we try to know is which is the condition of the machine. Really, it's not a type of maintenance, because we don't do nothing that we can say that this is maintenance. We need to remember which is the definition of maintenance. Maintenance is all the activities that we do to compensate the degradation that one equipment suffers with the time or with the use. Then to do diagnostic activity is really not maintenance, because we don't do nothing to compensate the degradation of the equipment. We only want to know which is this degradation. Then this third type of activity, before we say that this activity was predictive maintenance, and now we prefer use the word diagnostic maintenance, is this type of activity that try to know which is the condition of the machine.
We have seen in this short video what we mean by types of maintenance. We have seen three types of criteria to define the types of tasks according to specialty, with the scope, and according to the failure and the moment in which occurs. We hope to see you soon in our channel.